Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Hulu account, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Hulu account, begin by visiting the Hulu website or opening the Hulu app on your device. Log into your Hulu account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. On the website, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. If you're using the app, tap on the account icon at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Cancel Your Subscription option in the account settings. Click on this option to start the cancellation process. Hulu may offer you alternatives to cancel, such as pausing your subscription. If you're sure about canceling, continue by selecting Cancel My Subscription. You will be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After cancellation, you will receive a confirmation email from Hulu. Ensure to check your email for this confirmation to finalize your cancellation. Your account will remain active until the end of your billing cycle. Once it expires, you will no longer have access to Hulu's content. If you ever decide to return, you can easily reactivate your account. Remember to review any future charges to ensure your account is fully canceled. That's how to cancel your Hulu account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.